Don't let this happen to you. Get it done right. This is a prime example of how not to build a shower. Everything that could be done wrong has been done wrong. See all the gaps and voids in the tile? That was created because everything was spot bonded. One of the major sins in the tile industry. You can't spot bond. There's a lot of people doing it. It's unacceptable. Another issue here is that water is going the wrong way. It's going away from the drain. And that's because the drain is set higher than the floor. There is no pre-slope. There are elements of the floor that actually slope the opposite way. There's a ledge here that makes the water accumulate near the curb. There's no pre-slope, so water can't drain. If you don't install tile the way it's supposed to be installed, then you're going to have problems. This shower has never been put into use. Wasn't even finished and it had to be taken down. Just watch how this tile comes off the wall with absolutely zero effort. You can see all the gaps in the tile. You can see how thick the mortar is. This shower wasn't even finished and it had to be torn down. And here's an installer that actually knows what he's doing and pulling off a tile. Tile came off almost completely whole. There's a little corner in the bottom here that broke off. And then the next tile comes off whole. Nothing holding it on. The thin set was installed beyond its capability. A contributing factor was also that the tile wasn't keyed in or burned in, so the thin set had no chance of sticking. Don't let people do this to your shower. Links to free PDFs to help you understand how to install tile correctly in the description.